Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by installing Google Authenticator and signing into Roblox. This gives you access to the 2FA settings. Once there, choose the option to use an Authenticator app and tap to show a QR code. You need your phone camera to scan that code, so open the Google Authenticator app and pick Add Account. Make sure to also copy or write down any backup codes Roblox shows. They save you if your phone is lost. Once you open the Authenticator and scan Roblox's QR code, the app immediately generates a 6-digit rotating code every 30 seconds. You type the current code back into Roblox to prove the link. This step validates the device and activates two-step verification. If a code fails, wait for the next rotation and try again. Timing sync is the usual issue. After verification, Roblox will show recovery codes. Save them somewhere secure before proceeding. To finish, store the recovery codes and confirm 2FA works by logging out and back in. When prompted, open Authenticator and type the current 6-digit code. If you encounter failed codes, make sure your phone's clock is set to network-provided time. Authenticator requires accurate time to match Roblox. If you lose the app or device, use a saved recovery code immediately or start Roblox account recovery. This protects you and gets access back fast.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.